Guys, today I got the Atlas Air Boeing 747-8, I believe. And today we're going to be unboxing it. NG models, and we also have the airplane model. It's the -8 Atlas. My goodness, why is it so big? Alright, just gonna. So this is it. Boeing 747-800. Well, the real wheels do roll. I think the front landing gear does too. It's pretty interesting. Got the Atlas Air logo over here. Oh, I actually heard it. And I'm just gonna put this at, oops. It's gonna be right here. Go. Oh wow, actually, it looks really good. In my model airport. So that's it. Thanks for watching and bye.